Today's episode is made possible through the support of the wonderful Paul Kleinpeter and everybody else on Patreon. If you're interested in helping me teach the world about science and technology, check out the links below in the description and see how you can not only get involved in the Patreon, but hang out and join the team in the Discord as well. Everybody has something to offer. Let's see what you've got. Thanks. Hi there guys, and welcome back to the shop for Project Archi episode 43. Today we're going to do the J2 limit switch power feeds. This is a simple one. You got this. We're going to take these two wires, a black and red. We're going to hook them into our 5-volt DC bus here. And it's black and red to black and red. There's nothing to it. You got this. I have a piece of black and red heat shrink there. I'm going to grab a bigger piece of heat shrink here. Gonna go up a size to that. And we got this. This is super easy. So we're gonna start here with the short ones because they're the hard ones. We're gonna strip that. So how you doing today? You doing all right? You having a good day? Comment in. I want to hear about your day. How you doing? What kind of stuff are you working on? Are you building this robot along with me? Are you in a project team with some organization or something? Are you doing this for school? Are you just hanging out? Not actually building this robot, but you just like watching the videos? Comment in. I want to hear about your day. I want to hear what you got going on. And if you do have projects going on, I want to hear about them. You can share them in the Discord. There's links below in the thing. It's free and open to anyone who wants to hang out, talk shop, talk about projects or making stuff. I got all kinds of things going on other than a robot, but I can't make videos on them right now because I'm all set up for robot videos. But if you like shop stuff, making things, building things, you might want to hang around because I do a lot more than robot videos, even though that's what you're going to see for like the next several videos are going to be all robots. But I got one coming up where if you look back a few videos, you'll see where I crashed a model jet, the Viper, 70mm Viper. And it just ate it. It's bad. I broke it bad. It's sitting over there in a pile. And I'm going to show fixing that. Like, I'm going to turn a pile of broken styrofoam into something that will fly. I think. Probably. And that's going to be a cool video. And I'm going to be doing other robot videos. There's those two over there. Topsy and Turvy. And yes, they have names. This is Archie. That's Topsy. That's Turvy. And all kinds of stuff. I'm going to be doing a lot of high voltage stuff soon. I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff with boats. I'm building a lawnmower that's going to be kind of interesting. Damn it! What did I do wrong? I got talking about jets and lawnmowers and robots and forgot to put my heat shrink on there. That's all right. It's okay to make mistakes. I just got to take a minute, pop those off, and redo my heat shrink here. So we're gonna put the double heat shrink up first. Run that way up the wires, all the way up there. Oh, look at that! We got tons of room. Tons of room. Okay. We'll wrap that around. And then we'll bring this around the other side. Roll them all in tight. Cool, that's good. Then we'll do red. Line them all up. The more you do this, the better you will get at it. Which really sucks, because if I had to build like 2 of these robots, the second one would be awesome. Everything's a prototype. All right. We need some more flux. I honestly think it might be better for this application, instead of using a flux brush, to use like a popsicle stick or something like that. Little dab of flux. Little bit of schmutz. All right, we got that. We're sorted there. We're cool. I got crap on my finger. Oh, clean your tip. That's grody. Tin your tip. Come in from the back. Oh, don't burn it. This would be better with helping hands, which are right next to me, and I have no excuse for not using other than them just being lazy. All right, bring the red one down, because that's an older joint. It's cooled off by now. I'll heat shrink that one. Okay. Now I'll bring the black one down, because that's now had time to cool off. Hi, dogs. Did you guys come to help? Do I need supervision? Hi. And we'll shrink this one. Do you need a cookie? I will heat shrink your nose. Hang on a second. But what? I'm doing serious work here. I'm at work. This is my job. Do you need a cookie? Okay, everybody gets a cookie. There you go. Everybody gets a cookie, but I gotta go to work. We're in the middle of production here. Okay. All right, so now that we did that, we grab the big white one and bring that down. Right over the whole thing, right where they join. And then we can heat shrink that. Just bring the whole thing together. That's beautiful. Cool. All right, guys, we did it. And the dog's got a cookie. Everybody's gonna be fine. Thank you for hanging out on this. We are now completed with the J1 and J2 limit switch connections. Guess what's coming up next? You guys have fun. I'm Chris Boden. Thank you for hanging out. And as always, we'll see you next time.